Hi there guys, welcome to another Osprey Productions video. Today I have a 2008 Toyota Yaris and I'm going to be showing you the OBD2 diagnostics port and fuse box locations. I'll also put up the fuse box diagrams. So first off, I'll show you the cabin fuse box. Come over to the left hand side of the vehicle, or the passenger side of the vehicle in this instance. Open up the door fully. Just come down into the footwell. Now what I'm going to do to make it a bit easier to see is I'm going to take off the glove box. You don't have to do this, just makes it a bit easier to see in the video. So pull off the glove box, easy as that. Now our cabin fuse box is actually on the bottom of this section here. See these relays? Just underneath there. We also have a couple of fuses up here. Now there's a belly pan here, and what we're going to do is we're going to release the two clips. There's one just over here. Oh, there you go, they were easier than thought. And then I'll try and put the camera underneath. There is your cabin fuse box. I will now put up the fuse diagram for these. Now for the OBD2 port, we go over the driver's side of the vehicle, or the right hand side of the vehicle in this instance. Again, open up the door fully, just down in the footwell, above the accelerator pedal. This is our OBD2 diagnostics port. Now for the engine bay fuse box, pull this lever here, come round to the front of the vehicle, lever just above the Toyota badge, open it up, and we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. That's safe and secure. Over the right hand side, see this black box next to the battery, clip at the front, that exposes our engine bay fuse box. I'll now put up fuse diagram for this. For cars with stability control, there'll actually be another box here. This model doesn't have that, but it'll be there, and that will be where your fuses are kept for the stability control. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.